Hello everyone, you are watching my English language improving tips today. Once again, in another lecture, I welcome you and I say you stay blessed. In today's video lecture, I will give you real tips how to improve your English speaking if you are a non-native speaker. Today's video is basically for beginners, but people on intermediate or advanced level can also be benefited from this video. So stay tuned with me, keep watching till the end, don't miss any part. I'll try to respond daily asked questions like how to improve English, how long it will take to learn English, and so on. I'm Abid Rahman and you are watching my YouTube channel Learn to Fun. Don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and press the bell icon to turn on notification. So guys, here is tip number one. Before beginning your English language journey, you should know in which level you are. Whether you are a beginner, you are an intermediate level, or you are an advanced speaker. So knowing your efficiency will help you saving you a lot of time. It will also help you finding out the relevant English language material, right? So first know your efficiency level. Tip number second, having a wide range of vocabulary and having a lot of stuff from English dictionaries. It's not enough. The basic thing is how to use this vocabulary. So don't cram words and vocabulary. Instead, try using basic words. It's the responsibility of a teacher to make the student learn how to use this vocabulary. Use compound words, compound phrases, making daily expressions from basic sentences will help a lot instead of only cramming and memorizing vocabulary and words as if you are a walking dictionary, but of no use. Tip number three for today. Don't use only vocabulary and words, but also learn pronunciation and intonation. When you feel easy and comfortable, set aside and work on your pronunciation and intonation by listening different native speakers through your mobile phone, through your podcast, through your television, etc. Tip number four, grammar and vocabulary matters, but one should know which sort of communication should be done in which context. Whether you are sitting on a bus, you are on a bus terminal, you are in the airport and railway station, you can use that register, that style of language in the context. I mean that use of language according to the situation matters a lot. Now the last but not the least, listen from different cultures and different voices of English accents. This will help a lot in mastering pronunciation and intonation as well as the rhythm of a language. Now things to avoid. Don't rely on Google Translator. Remember, don't rely on Google Translator or English to Urdu or English to some other language dictionary. It will destroy and spoil your communication skill. Avoid cramming vocabulary. Instead, try to use language in context. Hope you have learned a lot from this video of mine. I'll be seeing you in next session. Till then, bye bye, tata.